Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Martis Garcia Barongan. I'm 37 years old, widow, high school graduate. I have experience in Lebanon for 2 years and 3 months as a domestic helper.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
Taking care of the kids, washing the clothes, ironing, and then clean the house and taking care of the dog.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take good care and feed them.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam, sir, I can cook Filipino food and I'm willing to learn more when it comes to cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Sir, ma'am, it is necessary to be hard-working person, kind, and loving person.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
I will promise to finish my contract for 2 years. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless.